What's going on once again, everyone? MonkeyDude22 here for another Xbox tip, trick, or tutorial video. And in this video today, I'm going to share with you some steps that'll help you cancel a subscription on Xbox. Now, this video will cover steps to just flat out cancel a subscription or just stop the auto renewal process for services like Xbox Live, EA Access, or Xbox Game Pass on Xbox One. If you did find this video helpful, please make sure to click that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more Xbox tip, trick, and tutorial videos just like this. Now, right off the bat, I want to make this clear. You're not able to cancel an Xbox subscription if it's past due or suspended due to billing issues. You'll need to update that information and pay the past due balance before you can cancel or turn off auto renew on any subscription. Also, you can't purchase Xbox Live currency or a subscription card at retail to pay off the balance. This must be done with a valid payment method, such as a credit or debit card or PayPal. I'll have links in the description with more information to resolve suspended accounts due to billing or past due balance issues. Okay, so what you'll need to do is open up a web browser such as Microsoft Edge and navigate to account.microsoft.com/services. Once you sign into the account which has the subscription service attached to it, you'll see a similar screen to the one that you're seeing now. Now, for this video, I'm going to show you the steps for Xbox Game Pass, but the same steps can be used for any services that you see here. Now, as we can see here, I have Xbox Game Pass, and every month it's charging me $9.99 for the service, as well as the next date it's going to charge my payment method. Now, clicking on Manage will bring you to the payment and billing screen with more information such as the payment method and the backup payment information, as well as the billing history of the current subscription. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a few options: cancel, change how you pay, and choose payment backup, if you chose your Microsoft balance to pay for the subscription initially. If you click on the change option, a drop-down will appear to where you can either switch plans and turn off auto-renew. Change how you pay, of course, will allow you to change the payment method on file, and choose payment backup will allow you to change the backup payment method. So now that we've got all that out of the way, you have two options when canceling an Xbox subscription. Let's start by turning off auto-renew, which will allow you to use the rest of the time you've paid for, but not charge you in the future, and cancel the rest of the subscription after the final day. Start by clicking on the Change drop-down option and select Turn off auto-renew. You'll then be prompted with a similar confirmation screen to where you can either confirm the cancellation or click Don't Cancel to return to the previous screen. Make sure you read what the box says, because it will have important information about the subscription you need to know before you cancel. Now, once you've confirmed that you wish to cancel, you'll see this confirmation screen, which will confirm and let you know the date that you'll lose access to the subscription, and a reminder that you can always turn back on auto-renew before the subscription time runs out. Click on Back to Subscriptions to return to the previous menu. As we can see now, we no longer have the option to turn off auto-renew, and that's because it's been replaced with Turn on auto-renew. So should you want to turn that back on before the subscription runs out, this is the option you'll want to select. Now let's take a look at how to cancel the subscription outright, which you can do from the same screen. Go ahead and click on the Cancel option to begin the process. Once you click it, you'll see a similar screen to the one you see here, or an error message. As I stated previously, the only times you won't have the option to cancel immediately is if you're using a prepaid subscription code like the one you'll find at a retail store. Since they're prepaid, there's no way to cancel or obtain a refund over the website since it's already been paid for. If you're within the first 30 days of a subscription, you may be eligible for a full or partial refund, which will automatically show up here. As we can see, since I'm only 15 days into a 30-day subscription term, which I paid through my account balance and not through a prepaid code, I am eligible for a refund of the same balance that I paid originally, including taxes. Click on Confirm Cancellation to continue with the cancel progress, but note that if you select this option, you'll immediately lose access to the subscription in question. Once you see the confirmation, you're good to go. Now, generally, if I've ever had a refund, it's taken roughly 24 to 72 hours. The refund speed greatly depends on the financial institution or method of payment. Now, if you're having an issue with receiving a refund after 72 hours, I highly suggest contacting your bank first to see if there's a refund pending before you contact official Xbox support. A lot of times the holdup is generally with the bank and not with Xbox. But that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let me know by leaving a comment in the comments section below. I do my best to answer them as quickly as I possibly can. If the video was helpful, please make sure to click that like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. I'm MonkeyDude22, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.